Okay, car has been sitting about a week. I just came up, I just pulled the cover off and opened the hood. I want to do another cold start video. I'm going to take it out and take it for a little ride again, do another driving video. I know my first one was not great. I'm not great at holding this phone. And just put this up in case anyone had any questions. So, again, it's ice cold. You know, touching the manifold down there, the turbo, which, you know, if you run these, it gets super hot. First shot. There you go. So yeah, when it sits, it takes a couple tries, but it starts right up. It runs good. Just not to choke off. Okay. I will pull out of here and then I will start a driving video. Thanks.